Learning with Maliha presents how to make the most of the best 10 days of the year. The best 10 days of the Islamic calendar year, during which Muslims worldwide compete for the sawab or rewards by doing more goodness and showing gratitude to Allah Almighty for His countless blessings, are finally here. These are the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah, or the 12th month of Islamic calendar. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There are no days in this world during which worship is more beloved to Allah. Glorious is He than the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah." Dhul Hijjah means the one of pilgrimage. During this month, Muslim pilgrims from all around the world congregate at Mecca to visit the Holy Kaaba. The Hajj is performed on the 8th, 9th and 10th of this month. Day of Arafah take place on the 9th of the month. Adha, the festival of the sacrifice, begins on the 10th day and ends on the sunset of the 12th, and during which war is banned. In this month, Muslims from around the world who can afford to travel vast distances to perform the Hajj to Mecca and fulfill a once-in-a-lifetime obligation. But for those of us who will be performing the Hajj, we can still reap the rewards of these blessed days by doing these acts. Acts can be performed in 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. Fasting the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah is Sunnah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is reported to have said, "There are no days more beloved to Allah that He be worshipped in them than the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. Fasting during every day of them is equivalent to fasting a year. And if you cannot fast the 10 days, let's at least try to fast on Arafah day, the 9th of Dhul Hijjah. As the blessed Prophet, peace be upon him, is reported to have said, fasting on the day of Arafah, expiates the sins of the past year and the coming year." Muslim. Reading more Quran. Aim to recite more Quran every day than you might currently be used to. If we do not recite any Quran, this is a good opportunity to commit to a daily habit of reciting a few verses or whatever we can. Let's try to understand its ayat or verses by reading the tafsir or commentary and applying them in our lives a little bit at a time. As the Quran is our ultimate guidebook for success in this life, dunya, and the hereafter, akhirah. Takbirat. The takbir, Allahu Akbar, tahleel, la ilaha illallah, and tahmeed, alhamdulillah, are sunnahs, and it's recommended we recite them every day of these 10 days, not only on Eid day. Zikr and dua. People who perform Hajj are asked to praise Allah constantly in these 10 days. We can also make zikr, reciting tasbih, doing daily remembrance, and making lots of duas for ourselves and humanity in general. Qiyam, Tahajjud. Seizing the opportunity of Allah's forgiveness by praying in the late part of the night is very beloved to Allah. The first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah offer an amazing opportunity to inculcate this important habit in our lives. Tahajjud has countless benefits, including helping to develop grit. Udaya or Qurbani. For those who are able, sacrificing of a sacrificial animal on Adha in order to follow the Sunnah of Ibraheem salam and share the meat with family, friends, and those in need is a very noble deed. Consider donating a portion of the meat to the local halal food bank or needy family. Eid prayer. Attending Eid prayer is an important sunnah that we should be keen on fulfilling, as well as showing joy and happiness on Eid day. sadaqah, or charity. Finally, we all plan to maximize our giving during these 10 days to reap the blessings. So don't miss out on the opportunity to earn extra rewards by either supporting a worthy charitable cause like donating to your local food bank or giving alms to the poor and needy people. Thank you for watching. Wish you a very happy Eid day. Eidul Adha Mubarak. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.